Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm excited to review the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Prestige 9900 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in Champagne. This high-tech toothbrush promises a lot, from deep cleaning to healthier gums, so let's see if it really lives up to the hype. First off, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Prestige 9900 is all about advanced technology. It features SenseIQ, which automatically adjusts the brushing experience based on your unique needs. It's designed to remove up to 20 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush and claims to make your gums up to 15 times healthier in just 6 weeks. Quite impressive. The sleek design includes a premium leatherette travel case and a USB charging option, so it's also practical for on-the-go use. When I first used this brush, I was really impressed by how lightweight and sleek it felt in my hand. The touch interface is smooth, and controlling the settings is super intuitive. There's no fiddling with buttons, just a tap, and you're good to go. I found it really easy to add it to my routine, and the brushing modes, there's quite a few, felt like a tailor-made experience for my teeth. But what really stood out for me was the cleaning power. It's hard to compare this to a manual toothbrush because the difference is night and day. My teeth felt visibly cleaner after each use, and the gum health claim is something I noticed too. After just a couple of weeks, my gums were noticeably healthier and less sensitive, which was a big win for me. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the design is elegant, with the champagne finish really giving it a luxurious feel. The brushing experience is thorough, but gentle, and the battery life is great. I also really appreciate the travel case, which is perfect for those of us who are always on the move. The SenseIQ technology is a nice touch as it adapts to how you're brushing, which felt like a personalized experience. On the flip side, the price is definitely on the higher end. While it's packed with features, it might not be the best fit for those on a budget. Also, while the touch interface is sleek, it can sometimes be a little tricky to use when you have wet hands, though this is a minor issue. In terms of value for money, I think it's a bit of a splurge. But if you're someone who really values high-tech features and precision, it's worth considering. If you're looking for something with more basic functionality, there are more affordable options that do the job. If you're someone who already uses an electric toothbrush and is looking to level up, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Prestige could be a great fit. If you're new to the electric toothbrush game, you might want to explore other options that are more affordable and less feature-heavy. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if this review was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. Your support means so much and helps us keep creating content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check the comments or description box for the link to purchase the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Prestige. If you've tried it already, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to hear how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.